is up, everyone? Welcome back or to the channel. My goal this week is to get a video up every day. Today is Monday. So today, I think I'm going to try to get this done. Well, at least the bag bridge mounted up. Get that welded on, at least tacked on. That way I can get the truck up and move it out. Make sure everything works. Gotta get everything welded up. See what happens. Before I ramble too much, like I usually do, we might as well just get right into it right now.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car.
There she is. The Jack Fab designed, Rohde Fab cut out, custom bridge. Now, as you can see right here, I got some filling in to do. But ain't nothing little triangle pieces cut out can't handle. But look at that thing. Look at that thing. That thing looks sick. Thank you, Jay. Making dreams come true. Mini truckers all across the United States and wherever else you ship. Do you ship out of the United States? I don't know. Good job. Good job, Jake. Anybody needs anything cut out, tell you what, RohdeFab.com, or whatever his website is. I think that's what it is. Link below. I'll drop a link below for Rohde Fab. You need anything cut out, you'll get it cut out and shipped out in no time. Any dream you have, that's what he's there for. He's there to make dreams come true. This is not a paid promotion. Alright, so my battery died, which is a usual process of what happens to me. Anyway, while it was charging, I went through and got a little bit more stuff welded up, tacked up, got it ready for tomorrow so I can go through and fully weld everything. And all I can say is, this thing's gonna get some crazy lift in the back. But I think it's coming out pretty sweet. I'll let you know what I have left to do. So pretty much just, I gotta go through and weld everything, box the frame in where the notch ties into the stock frame, and then I gotta get the shocks and mount the shocks up. But it's on the home stretch. It's getting close. So let's cut to a little cinematic view of what it looks like right now. So there it is. Just gotta fully weld everything. Do a little smoothing here and there. I'm not gonna go crazy. I'm not really making it a show truck. This is supposed to just be my drive around, cruise around little shop truck. But I think it's coming out pretty good. So if you want to see more, you know what to do. Come back tomorrow. Today's Monday. This will be up Tuesday. So, yeah. I'll get back on it. And the other thing I gotta do to get this truck closer is get the motor mounts for that. Get that set in. Start wiring it all up. Getting all the accessories done, and that's where it's at. So enough rambling for today. I'm gonna end it here. Thanks for watching. Come back tomorrow. I will see you later. Have a good night. A little bit of a secret. A little mini trucker secret. You know, all those Sema guys are doing this. Just in case you were wondering how to build a Sema vehicle, one thing to know is you got to use ratchet straps and not know how to weld. Yeah, I've seen your pictures. Ah, yeah. Now we're all plumbed up. Look at that. Look at that. What do we got? What do we got back here? 35 7/8. Not quite, but we're gonna go with it. Oh yeah, it's pretty good. Not bad. Let me tell you. Nope, we got it. She pulled away on me. tell you, there she is. Sema certified. Load it up, take it out. Now we're in business.